Whether you're a brand new Fitbit user or someone who's had a Fitbit for a long time, you might not know that you can actually change your clock faces. At least for me, it took me a few months to understand that I could change my standard clock face. So if you want to personalize your Fitbit, here's how you do so. I'm Agent with Ardently Tech, and the first thing you want to do is make sure that you download the Fitbit app if you don't have it already. You can get it on the Google Play Store or the App Store. Just download it and make sure you make an account if you don't already have one. You don't have to pay for premium, but if you bought your Fitbit brand new, you usually get 6 months of premium for free. But if you got it used, you probably won't have it. Once you have downloaded the app and synced your Fitbit to the app, go to your home page and go to the top left corner where you see your profile photo, and you will see your device connected if you did it correctly. Now you can tap that and you'll see different settings that you can customize for your Fitbit. You can do your apps, you can change certain settings, but in particular, you can change your clock faces right there. So click on clock faces or clocks, and then you can choose a design. And once you find the one that you really enjoy, click it, and then you can synchronize it to your watch. It takes a couple seconds, sometimes a little bit longer. It shouldn't take longer than a couple of minutes. And once you have that synchronized, you have the brand new face on your Fitbit. The unfortunate thing, at least for the Charge 5 and the Luxe, and I'm pretty sure that's probably going to be the same for the other Fitbits, if you wanted to change the clock face again, you're going to have to go through the app every single time. It's not like an Apple Watch where you can preload a few different clock faces that you can swipe through and change off the whim on your Apple Watch. These fitness trackers obviously don't have the same capacity for that, so you have to go through the app and synchronize it every time, which is not the biggest deal, but it is a somewhat slight inconvenience, and again, for me, I didn't realize was possible. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like and comment below if you have any more questions that I might be able to answer. And if you're interested in watching a full review of the Fitbit Charge 5, check out this video here. Otherwise, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.